Come on, light.
Mike, you ready to start the video? I'm kind of in a bit of a hurry today.
I'm trying to make this, lights working. Everything needs to be perfect. Come on, light. Come on.
Mike, you're not going to eat the owner's chocolate, are you?
I need to make sure this is even numbers. We can't have odd numbers here. I need to make sure everything is perfect.
Mike, you're not going to drink from the owner's bar, are you?
Andrew, when the buyers come, we're gonna have an open bar here, right?
Okay.
What kind of expert would I be if I haven't tried everything?
Well, I guess that's true. All right, Mike, I'm going to film the outdoor area now.
Hey, just a couple more logs, Andrew, and I just need to make sure this is at the right temperature. It needs to be perfect.
Yeah, I'm sure the buyers will notice that.
Yeah. As you know, Andrew, we have to make sure everything is in even numbers.
Yeah.
Must be perfect.
I'm done, Mike, so I'm going to head off. I'll see you next time.
Yep. I'll be ready very, very soon.
Yep. All right. Bye.
Very soon, Andrew.